Have you ever tried something new just to see what would happen? That's called an experiment, and it's how we make discoveries. Today's word is experiment. Can you say it with me? Experiment. Let's spell it together. Ready? E-X-P-E-R-I-M-E-N-T. That spells experiment. An experiment is a test or trial to discover something new. It's how we explore ideas and find out what works best. Here are some words that mean the same as experiment. Say them with me. Test, like checking if a plant grows faster in sunlight or shade. Trial, like trying something out to see if it works. Research, like studying and gathering facts to learn more. Investigation, like exploring a mystery to find clues. Procedure, like following careful steps to test an idea. Each one shows how experiments help us explore and learn new things. Now let's look at the opposites of experiment. Experience, like something you already know from doing it before. Guess, like deciding without testing or proof. Opinion, like saying what you think without finding out for sure. Belief, like trusting something without evidence. Neglect, like not trying at all or ignoring what could be tested. Those are the things experiments help us move beyond. Here's a great example. Sofia designed an experiment to see if plants grew better in sunshine or shade. Let's review. Experiment means a test or trial to discover something new. Synonyms include test, trial, research, investigation, and procedure. Antonyms include experience, guess, opinion, belief, and neglect. Experimenting helps you discover. It's how we learn new things. Your challenge: try a mini experiment at home or school. Observe what happens and share it. Keep testing, keep learning, and keep discovering. See you tomorrow for another Word Up with Sophia.